I have this really old program here. I'm sure most people don't care about it, but it's or probably ever heard of it. It's called T-Format. I found it a long time ago. It lets you increase the capacity on a floppy disk. This won't run on Windows 10, so I had to put it on my older computer that has Windows 7 on it. Let me open it so you can see what it looks like. Just a simple window. Hopefully it's going to run this time, because the last time it gave me a problem. It kept saying that the drive was in use, which it wasn't. So I restarted the computer, which will hopefully have resolved that issue. You can see here there's some options. And what's cool is it increases the capacity of a standard floppy from 1.44 megabytes to 1.72. And it's not a joke, it works. I know because I've used it before years ago. That's why I just thought of it to try it out and mess with it right now. I have to use this old computer, so I can't screen record it, so I have to record it with my camera, and the quality is going to be a little fuzzy. I can see it's picking up those fuzzy lines. I can't see them with my eyes, but they're there. This computer actually has a pretty clear screen, but it is old, so old that it's not a widescreen. I think they call this a letterbox screen. Now what you're going to do is you're going to scroll with the keys to start format. Press enter. Okay, I think it's reading the disk because it's not doing anything right now. Okay, after you press enter, it'll say this. Put the disk into the drive and then press any key when ready. And then now it formats. Very easy to use program. You can see it's a slow operation. It's pretty slow. Oh, and this program too, I forgot about it. It actually can find bad sectors on the disk. It might be because these disks are old. These floppies I have came from a computer that is from 1992. So these disks are 30 years old. It's amazing they work at all. Hopefully it won't find any more bad sectors. So I'd say it probably takes roughly 5 minutes, maybe a little less, 3 minutes to format with this program. It's finding more bad sectors. See, this thing's cool. Unlike the normal formatting software that comes in built into Windows, this tells you bad sectors and it marks them as unusable, and then it gives you your total usable space. I guess what it does is it marks the bad sectors as use space. So now we have 1.66 megabytes of usable space on the floppy, which is pretty good because normally you can only put 1.44, so you can see it increased the capacity. But unfortunately, the floppy disk I have has issues because it's 30 years old, so it can't be used 100%.